Hello. Sometimes, despite filing a complaint against someone whom you believe has wronged you, the police may conclude their investigation with a decision of non-prosecution. Typically, when the police find sufficient evidence to support the accusation, they refer the case to the prosecution. However, if the police determine that there is no basis for the accusation, they make a decision of non-referral. What does non-referral mean? Non-referral refers to the police concluding a case without transferring it to the prosecution after completing their investigation. This decision is made when the police cannot find sufficient evidence to prove the alleged crime or when they deem the accusation baseless. The police will inform you of their decision of non-referral either through phone calls, text messages, or by sending a notification letter to your address. What should you do if you've diligently prepared your complaint but receive a decision of non-referral? You should proceed with an objection to the decision of non-referral. An objection to the decision of non-referral refers to the process where the victim or the complainant requests for the case to be reinvestigated by the police, even though the police have decided not to refer the case to the prosecution. Under what circumstances can you file an objection to the decision of non-referral? An objection to the decision of non-referral can be made if you believe the police's decision of non-prosecution is unjust, or if you have obtained additional evidence that can prove the accused's guilt beyond what was included in the initial complaint. Here's the process for filing an objection to the decision of non-referral. You need to submit an objection form for the decision of non-referral. The objection form should include your personal information, the reasons for objecting to the original decision, why you're filing the objection, and a legal argument and evidence explaining why you believe the police's decision of non-referral is unjust. Submitting a well-prepared objection form is essential, as an improperly prepared form might lead to another decision of non-referral. Once the police make a decision of non-referral, they must notify you of the reasons within 7 days. If you don't receive the notification, you should contact the investigating officer to request the reasons for non-referral. Since filing an objection to the decision of non-referral essentially requests a reinvestigation of previously dismissed matters, it's advisable to consult legal experts. Repeating the content of the initial complaint without additional evidence or legal arguments might lead to another decision of non-referral. Typically, the objection form is resubmitted to the police station where the initial investigation was conducted. Upon receiving the objection form, the police will forward the investigation records and the objection content to the prosecution. Now, the case will be reviewed by the prosecution rather than the police. In practice, the objection to the decision of non-referral is often not accepted. Therefore, it's crucial to carefully analyze the reasons provided in the police's decision of non-referral and prepare legal arguments that can effectively challenge their decision. If you haven't received the reasons for the decision of non-referral, or if the reasons provided are insufficient, you should request detailed explanations from the investigating officer. Moreover, when an objection to the decision of non-referral is made, the prosecution is required to process it within 90 days. However, this period may be extended under special circumstances. If the reinvestigation is not accepted, and the prosecution ultimately decides not to prosecute, what can you do? You may file an appeal or a request for reconsideration to have the court review the matter once again. Today, we've discussed the process of objecting to the decision of non-referral to the prosecution when dissatisfied with the police investigation results. It's crucial to prepare legal evidence and objection forms diligently to ensure your case is handled properly. If you receive a notification of the decision of non-referral from the police and are preparing an objection, please contact us at the following address. Thank you.